Meta glasses Bluetooth not working. Step 1. Turn your phone's Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 2. Now, restart your Meta glasses by holding the power button until the lid flashes. Step 3. If it's still not working, in your phone's Bluetooth settings, forget the Meta glasses, then pair them again through the MetaView app. Step 4. Check the app for any firmware updates. Outdated software can block Bluetooth. Step 5. Also, avoid Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or other Bluetooth devices nearby. Stay within 10 meters of your phone. And that's it.